Could you please tell me your full name?
Yeah, sure. My full name is Mohammad Rabi Hussain, and my parents and my friends call me Victor. If you want, you can give me a nickname. I like it when people give me a nickname.
Please tell me something about your family.
Oh, there are five family members in my family. My parents, my elder brother, younger sister, and me. And my younger sister, student of class 8, and my elder brother living abroad. My father also living abroad, and my mother is a housewife, and I am now a student of Rahat English.
Who is your favorite family member?
Obviously, it's my mom is my favorite family member cause he love me most, and every time I do a big blunder, he solve it very easy way.
Which is more important to you, your friends or your family?
Obviously, my family is very important for me cause when I am any difficult situation, my family help me, not my friends. Like 4 or 5 months ago, I was so sick, and like I have dengue and typhoid together,
Okay.
and my not my friend help me. My parents with me like 4 months stay with me. My mom take care me every day. That's why family is for me very important.
Well, do you like using social media?
Truly speaking, little bit. I don't like to use Facebook, Insta. Sometime when I need to contact with my long distance friend, that
Mhm.
time I using Instagram.
Well,
Something.
in your opinion,
Uh,
which is the most popular social media platform in the world?
it's Twitter, sir. Cause they are big politicians, although the government, the world, they are contacting there, and they are discussing everything. If you go there, you have to all free. You can do what you want.
What social media platform do the people of your country mostly use?
My people, Bangladesh people are using mostly Facebook.
Do you
Co-
think using Facebook is useful?
I think for me it's not useful because I don't use Facebook, but for people it's very useful. For normal people, older people, they are using for news. Bangladeshi all news come from Facebook. That's why I think it's useful for Bangladeshi people.
Do you use the internet?
Yeah, I use internet.
Okay. What will you do if there isn't any internet connection?
I play offline game.
Offline games.
Offline games.
Okay. What
If
game?
like I now downloaded like there's some kind of game like bike games or car games, like another game like kill people, offline game, go
Well,
kill people like that.
and what do you like to do during the heavy rain?
uh so I don't like rain, that's why when heavy rain I go to sleep.
Do you like holidays?
Yeah, I like holidays. The holidays give me a lot of time, and this time I can rest properly and I can wash my clothes,
Hmm.
go outside with my friend, hang out, and sometime go traveling for any new places. Like 2 or 3 days ago, I go went with my friends
Hmm.
Aju.
Well, and do you prefer short holidays or long holidays?
In my opinion, it's long holidays. I like long holidays. Here's long holidays, more time and more enjoy, more travel.
Okay. And what do you usually do on the weekend?
On weekend, like at Rahat English Care, I have a weekend only one day. That time I sleep like more than 15 hours.
What would you do if you were a politician of your country for 1 month?
Pollution for 1 month, I will change my country's education system. Cause look at this people, a student, they study more than 12 years English, but
Hmm.
they can't speak in English properly. But I changed education system and I tried to remove corruption,
Hmm.
and I tried to the main culprit to our corruption people. I tried to change them.
So you have been learning English at the Hassan here for the last more than 2 months, actually. Well,
Uh,
okay. What do you think? How much time does a person need to become fluent in the English language?
in my opinion, it's will be like 20 days for fluent speaking English. You have to know the basic.
Hmm.
You have to know the basic, and if you want to fluent, it must be need only a minimum, sir. It minimum 15 days.
15,
15 days.
15 or 20. Well,
15 or 20 days.
okay. Now tell me, how can a person learn English within 15 days?
Uh, Firstly, he have to know the all basic.
Okay.
Okay, there's need time only 1 month for
Mhm.
all know and some vocabulary like 100 to 200. More than if he he know the more than is good for them, and he needs to just practice. He need to environment like everyone is speaking English beside, and he talk to everyone is speaking English like environment of Rahat English care. If you go into residential, that everyone is speaking English, the environment help you to speak in English or become fluent in 15 or 20 days. Like my point of view, and I fluent like to is frankly speaking like 12 days. I need only 12 days.
Okay, I wish you all the very, very best for your future, Mr. Rabbi Hossein,
Yes,
and
sir.
may Allah make you successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.